What's up everyone? So, dumating na nga ang mga in-order ko finally from Louie Almazan. It's been a few weeks of wait. Medyo may katagalan nga, no? I didn't mind the wait because I know that the products from him are really high quality ones and they got good value for the money. Binuksan natin yung package and tumambad sa atin yung super pulido, super quality na mga balisong. So ito ang aking quadruplet na 20 cm balisongs from Louie Almazan. Let's check each one of them. Makikita natin talaga hindi pa natin binubuksan yung gaano kapulido yung gawa ni Louie Almazan. Yung transition from the scales, itong kapit at yung dugtungan, yung bolster, wala kang ma-feel na na sabit. And also itong casing and the bolster, kasi ito syempre pinagdugtong lang din ito. You will not see hindi mo makikita yung pinagdugtungan nila. Meron tayong engraving of my name. This is not a perfect engraving kasi hindi naman machine engraving ito, by hand ito. So but I don't mind it. It's more personalized. It's more with a human touch. Come here.
Okay.
Do you like knives?
Yeah.
This is my girl, Fiona. She's 5, but do you like blades?
Yeah, because you gave me a teal color blue and you gave me light pink.
What can you say about my new knives?
So, I'm gonna say that these are the same and different because look how same it is. This gold and this gold are this gold and this gold and this gold and this gold are the same, and the different part is. This one's brown, this one's white, this one's black, this one's like a wood color.
It's a caramel color.
Caramel. This decoration looks like a tree would.
This is a deer antler.
Ooh, what is a deer antler?
It's like the horn of a deer.
Oh.
Have you seen a deer? I ordered a different scale for each one. Okay, so that's the difference. Another difference is that, you want to see another difference? Because this one, ito yung aking tanto.
That's cool! That's cool.
Why cool? Bakit
because
cool?
Look at how the sharp it is. And shiny it is.
So shiny, right? Where's your paper? Can we test it on paper? Come here. So what can you say about this knife? It's so shiny, right?
Yeah, and look at how sharp it is, and the like that side. Just look at that side.
It looks clean, right?
Yeah, looks
So this
shiny.
is the tanto. I think this is very sharp.
To cut this paper. This is my money.
Alright. This is a sharp blade out of the box. So ang masasabi ko dito ay there's a lot of effort done into this blade because itong tang area niya ay may fileworks. And Louie went a little further by putting mga baon. So may mga baon dito na itim. So for the latch, plain dito na side, but dito sa loob may mga baon na itim. Man, the quality of this one is so impressive. Talagang worth the wait ito. The next one we have here is the double blade or the dagger. With sungay ng kalabaw as yung kapit niya. It's a very pretty dagger. At ang makikita ko dito, mapapansin ko talaga dito sa quality ng gawa ni Louie Almazan is the fit and finish, no? Double blade dito. Supposedly asymmetrical ito. Kung anong meron dito sa kabila, the same dito sa kabila. And since ganun nga ang design, dapat sa kabila, ganun din. Okay? So, this is asymmetrical talaga. By the way, double pins. All of them got double pins para hindi bumangga yung blade sa case. Yung gitna ng double blade, talagang very accurate, superb quality ang masasabi ko dito. Napakagaling na craftsmanship and workmanship on these blades. So here's an interesting one. Meron siyang kapit na deer antler. At ang deer antler na ito ay maputi. So ito naman ay ang labaha. Yun. Oh, this one is the sharpest so far. Man, I love it. So, ang mangyayari nito, hindi ko na ito i-profile ang blade. It's just a matter of stropping it. And the last one is got a kamagong handle scales. Kamagong ang kapit nito. Ito yung crease. Ang ganda, no? Yung wave ng yung waves ng crease. Very proportionate. Interesting blade shape on this one, the crease. So yan ang aking quadruplet. I don't know, man. So as you can see, based on my previous videos, nagsidatingan na yung mga orders ko na balisong from the different makers in Batangas and in the Philippines. For the Batangas group, isa na lang yata ang hindi pa dumadating na order ko, and these products so far has impressed me the most. I'm just being honest here. Napaka-impressive ng build quality ng mga balisong ni Louie Almazan. Highly recommended. Among the four, which one is your favorite?
Along the four is this one.
Oh, really? Why?
Because look how sharp it is, and look how...
These are all sharp. How about this one with the waves? Like
I like
what?
that one too.
I like it. You like this one too? How about this one? No? Why?
That's just a regular, ordinary knife.
This is not ordinary. This is special balisongs, all of them. How about this one?
This one looks like a carrot because look how it's like a triangle.
Like a triangle. So what do you think about this one?
Carrots.
It looks like a carrot.
Yeah.
So this is my quadruplet 20 cm balisong from Louie Almazan. Overall opinion on this one, it's got quality that never disappoints. Oh, something that I should not forget to mention is that if you compare the quality of the product to the price, the more that you will appreciate Louie Almazan's work, because his products are not crazy pricey. Abot kaya po ang mga presyo ni Louie Almazan, even with these special ones.
Shout out
to
Balisong Philippines people.
Balisong Batangas.
Balisong Batangas.
Balisong Batangas.
Balisong
Batangas.
Alright, bye.
Wait.
Hey everyone, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now.